Good morning, dear student of class 8. I am your English teacher. I hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to start your English classes. Your prescribed book is New Oxford Modern School English, New Oxford Modern English, Class Book 8. The first lesson is When I Heard the Learned Astronomer, written by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman. First lesson is When I Heard the Learned Astronomer. First of all, you have to know what is meant by astronomer. Astronomer means a scientist who studies stars, moons, planets and other objects in space. Astronomer means a scientist who studies stars, moons, planets and other objects in space. Second, learned. Learned means well educated. Third, lectured. Lectured means to give a talk or presentation on a subject. Number 4, lecture room. In the 19th century, people often went to listen to talks by experts on a range of subjects. These were held in public rooms or in a community halls. Mysticals means having an inspiring awe or fascination. Proofs means evidence that a mathematical equation is true. First of all, you have to knowledge about the poet. Who is the poet of this poem? Walt Whitman. Lifetime in 1819, say 1892. He was an American poet. Okay, student, he was an American poet. Then we go through the poem of this lesson. First of all, I read the fourth line of the poem. First 4 line what you have seen on your screen. I think all of you have the book. When I heard the learned astronomer, when the proofs, the figures were ranged in columns before me, when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer, where when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer, where he lectured with much applause in the lecture room. I repeat 4 lines again. When I heard the learned astronomer, when the proofs, the figures were ranged in columns before me, when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer, where he lectured with much applause in the lecture room. Student, first 4 lines जो आपकी स्क्रीन में दिख रहे हैं, इसमें ये बताया जा रहा है कि एस्ट्रोनॉमर लेक्चर दे रहे हैं स्टार्स एंड मून्स के बारे में। कहाँ लेक्चर दे रहे हैं? लेक्चर रूम में. He gave the lecture in lecture room. When I heard learned astronomer, here I means speaker, here the poet Walt Whitman. When I heard the learned astronomer, learned means educated, astronomer means, I already tell you, a scientist who studies stars and moons. Then when astronomer give the lecture about stars and moons, the speaker had no interest in this way because he did not like the lecture of astronomer. उन्हें बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है कि वर्ल्ड वेटमैन को, स्पीकर को, कि वो अपने जो भी एस्ट्रोनॉमर जो भी लेक्चर दे रहे हैं स्टार्स एंड मून्स के बारे में, वो उनको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि वो ही मैथमेटिकल रूल्स को पसंद नहीं कर रहे हैं. ऐड, डिवाइड, चार्ट्स, डायग्राम्स, जो भी लेक्चर रूम में जो भी लेक्चर चल रहा है, हमारे स्पीकर को वो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. ओके, देन आई गो थ्रू द another 4 lines. Last 4 lines you have seen on the screen. How soon unaccountable I become tired and sick, till rising and gliding out I wandered of myself in the mystical moist night air, and from time to time looked up in perfect silence at the stars. ये 4 लाइन्स में ये बताया जा रहा है कि स्पीकर उसके बाद लेक्चर रूम से बाहर आते हैं एकदम मॉइस्ट नाइट एयर में. वो जब स्टार्स एंड मून्स को देखते हैं तो उनको बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, जो कि उसे लेक्चर रूम में बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं दे रहा था. वो उसे ओपन एयर में, मॉइस्ट ओपन एयर में, साइलेंस नाइट में वो चीज़ उसको समझ में आ जाता है. द ब्यूटीज़ ऑफ नेचर हियर मेंशन्ड हियर. देन गाइस, this poem is published in 1867. Here we have seen the difference between wisdom and knowledge. Wisdom means experience that have the speaker, and knowledge means research, studies, etc., which belong to astronomy. यहाँ बच्चे हम लोग देखेंगे दुनिया में लर्निंग जो है वो सेकेंड स्टेप में आता है. सबसे पहले आपका जो है वो एक्सपीरियंस काम करता है. जो एक्सपीरियंस हमें किससे आती है? विजडम से, जो कि हमारे स्पीकर के पास था. उनके पास नॉलेज की कमी थी, लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस था जो वो मॉइस्ट नाइट एयर में उसको गेन किए. देन हियर we read the difference between wisdom and knowledge. This is the main point of this poem. Okay guys, I will back the next lecture. Thank you guys.